oh, wait a minute, I have to add this. Okay, there's something I really wanted to talk about, and I kind of skipped by that. And that was, there's an energy that's been coming through, I think about 6 or 7 days now, probably more like 7. And when I meditate, I was feeling it just go through me like nothing I've ever felt before, and just, and the interesting part about it, it was that it was so different from others where I felt the veil was parting. It was so different, and I could really feel this expansion of energy, and I went, wow. And there's another thing I do every night. I have, the lights are off, and then I have my phone on airplane mode, but I have some beautiful music on that are crystal bowls and some really sweet chanting. And I'll put a link to this lovely woman who does things, and I'll put that on my phone and play it in another room, and I can hear it, and I'll come in and I'll just put light and love around family members and friends and the world, and bring this golden, beautiful golden diamond white light through, and this protection. And I've always done this in the evening before bed. And I noticed at that same time, about 7 days ago, all of a sudden this energy was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Actually, I could feel this as I put it around people. It was like, whoa, 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 whoa. So whatever's going on, tap into that. And then what, 2 or 3 nights ago, you know those giant bubble things? Have you ever seen them where you just, the wands that you go like this and they're monstrous? That is what started happening just a couple of days ago. It literally went around like family members in their homes and their neighborhoods, and it was just pulsating. It was just this beautiful dance of this golden diamond light. And so I want to share that with you. Tune in. I'm feeling it more at night for whatever reason than I am in the mornings. Of course, in the mornings, I'm kind of distracted. I go out early morning and have tea in the garden, and it's kind of part of my ritual. So maybe I'm not paying attention to that as much. I'm paying attention more to the vibrations of the earth and the flowers and the little, butterflies and things going by. So play with that, because there's something magical happening right now. So we have this darkness, but we have this incredible parting of the veils that is coming through right now. So let's really try to make use of that. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Ciao, ciao for now.